How to change device name on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the device name. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right bottom, we can see this more option. Tap on more. So these are the options available. Here you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now I am in the settings interface. Now on the top at the first option, you'll be able to see device name. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can rename the device. Simply tap on it. Now here you can rename anything, and at last simply tap on this rename button, so the name will be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.